I'm going to show you what to do if your Instacart account got deactivated. Now, if you think you got wrongfully deactivated, I'm going to show you how you can appeal it. First off, you have to Google called Instacart Customer Appeal Form. Now, on the customer appeal form here, you want to type on this one, type form. You want to click on this. Now, on here, you'll be put into this page here, right? Now, on here, you want to type on yes. So you do have to have evidence that show that your deactivation of your Instacart account was made in error. Say on yes. Now, on here, you have to type in your name, such as entering your name. I'm just going to say John Smith, like this. Tap on enter. And then you have to put in your email as well. So, for example, I'm just going to do johnsmith@gmail.com, like this, as an example. After that, you have to enter in your phone number. I'm just going to enter in something random like this. After that, you would need to tell you why you would reconsider the decision to deactivate your customer account. Just type in something random, example. But of course, for you, you'll have to actually type in why you think you were actually deactivated wrongfully. On here, I'm just going to type example because I'm just showing an example. But on here, you would need to make an actual argument on why your account was actually deactivated, right? Tap on OK. After that, what new information can you provide to show the activity on your account was in error? So this will be your evidence. So I'm just going to say screenshots or something like that, right? So screenshots. After that, if so, do you have any evidence to share with us? So if so, please submit below. So submit any evidence you have here if you have. So if you don't, just tap on submit. After that, now this complete entire form is easy. So that's it. Now all of your info will be directed onto Instacart and then you'll be contacted from them shortly.